Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative. Today, I'm actually involved in a collaboration challenge that's hosted by Holly's Dolly Hobby, and it's called Cottagecore Doll Collaboration. So basically what we've been asked to do is to take one of our Blythe dolls and to turn her into a Mori Girl. Now for those of you who don't know what a Mori Girl is, cottagecore is actually a really good definition of her. She is a very woodsy type of girl. She likes being in the forest and she loves forest animals, and she dresses with natural fibers. So all that being said, I am going with this dress right here. Now, we're not talking the greens and the browns that Mori Girl normally is. We're looking more at the blues, but it's still nature. You see blue skies. We have really pretty flowers in there. So nature is very much in this dress. And since we have pink flowers, I'm going to give her some pink shoes here. And then I'm going to make her some jewelry. I've got these really pretty flower charms. So those are going to be her earrings. And I'm going to try to fix her hair. I thought maybe I'd use these little blue clippy things. I'm not for sure exactly what I'm going to do with her hair. It is kind of a mess. It's all uneven. It's real pretty as far as how it feels and all, but it's very scraggly, so I may trim it up. I don't know. But I do want to make her a zipper pull to hang on her little eye changer cord. And I'm going to use these beads. Thought they went really well with the dress. And I'm going to use a turtle. And I think I'm going to use these little spacer beads. It's in rose gold by the way, her name is Rose. So that's pretty appropriate there. And then I'm going to use shiny copper for the wire. And I may use these. I haven't decided yet. Now I have her earrings all done. These were really easy to do. All I did was I took the ear wire and a pair of some flat nose pliers, and I just opened up the little hook on the ear wire and put the charm on there and closed it back up. Aren't those pretty? Very sweet. Something that my doll can wear, and if I want to wear them, I can wear them too. All right, now for her hair. It is really pretty straggly. I'm not really good at cutting hair, but I think might be able to straighten that out a little bit. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's like little tiny hair pieces hanging down. For sure I can trim those up. Let me mess with this a little bit and I'll come back and show you what happened. Sorry about all the racket in the background. It's been going on all day long. Anyway, I am trimming her hair. I've trimmed quite a bit so far. All right, I didn't really get a chance to do much to her hair. It was just so noisy out there and the fumes were really getting to me. So I will have to finish at a later date. Plus the fact, FYI, if you're gonna be cutting these girls' hair, you need some good scissors, and I really didn't have good scissors. But I was able to get it from dragging the floor. But like I said, I'll just have to tend to it later. I think I may put some braids in her hair. All right, so I got her hair done. I'm really not all that happy with it. I was having a lot of problems with electricity. Her hair was just flying in every which way. And anyway, what I did was I did 3 braids down the back and brought them up, kind of a half up, half down style, and tied a bow. There's her earrings. Now I need to work on her little zipper pull for her eye pull charm. Oh, by the way, here's all her little clips in her hair. All right, I finished her little zipper pull, and what I did is I took that shiny copper wire, it's 20 gauge, and I strung all these beads up. I have blue and pink glass beads, and in between I've got daisy spacers that are a rose gold or shiny copper color. I had this turtle that I just absolutely love. It's a sea turtle, but you know, there's turtles out in the woods too, and I love turtles. And then I just put a little branch there for a charm, and it will hang with this lobster claw clasp. Let me put it on her, and then I'll show you what it looks like. All right, there she is all put together. Here's her little pole charm. Normally, a lot of people like to bead these up, and I probably will do that at a later date. There's her earrings, her hair all done. Now, tomorrow when it's light, we're nighttime now, but I thought I would take Rose and her friend Hibiscus, who's also dressed like a Mori girl. They are. I thought I would take them out for a photo shoot tomorrow. Here's Hibiscus's pole charm. I went ahead and beaded her cord up with this little rabbit charm. And I actually have a video all about this, and I'll leave a link to it at the end of this video so you can check that out if you want. Here's her little flamingo belt. I actually put her together for my sister and I. We have a Facebook page called the Virtual Blythe Retreat, and it actually came from when we did a Blythe retreat, and we're planning on doing it again summer of 2024. But anyway, each month we have a little challenge, and it happened to be Mori Girl, which I thought was really good. But I already had her done when I found out about the challenge that Holly's doing. So anyway, tomorrow will be a photo shoot with these two girls, so stay tuned. I want to thank you all for joining me. Go check out all the other participants. I'll leave information about that down in the description box below. And y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette along with Hibiscus and Rose signing out for now. Bye-bye. I know at the beginning of this video I said that I would leave a link at the end of this video all about Hibiscus and how I turned into a Mori girl. But she's actually over on my Tappingflamingo, aka the Bohemian Hippie YouTube channel. So I'll just leave a link in the description box below so you can check that out.